All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. We have another Kollectin box. This one is a complete mix of all kinds of different things. We have this super cute little tote. It is, I mean, it really feels like a little jacket. We have a nice little chain. Great. Woo! Super cute shiny leggings. Can't wait to try those out. Also, nice little peasant shirts. Green. All right, here we go. Some nice satin pants. Those look like fun. And this coat looks lovely and perfect for all this winter weather. And this nice little match-up shirt here. I'm loving, loving, loving the coloring. See you in the try on. Right, first up, we have these lovely leggings. They're a camo with a little rose color to it with some gold fleck and black, and they are extremely comfortable. I really like them. They are high waist as well, and just from the coloration and everything, you could honestly dress them up or dress them down. They definitely define athleisure, that's for sure. Next up, this lovely twofer with a long silk shirt and these lovely satin pants. They're a straight cut, but let me tell you, the size is everything on these. I can put hands in the pants. They're still not too tight. Very well fitted. This shirt, the float on it, the feel, also everything, of course, can be worn in or out, whatever you prefer. It has a great length on it. So, I mean, you really can't go wrong with this one, but I think these pants are absolutely my favorite, hands down. All right, here we go with the coat. This thing right here, oh, life right now, life, 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 as well as the lovely little purse. Like I said, the purse is pretty dope. Texturally, it really does feel like maybe grandma's old coat. Oh, hey, they do have similar feel as well. The nice little chain and everything, so, you know, over one shoulder or go crossbody if you need to. And this coat, the zero arm problems. Zero arm problems is all I have to say. Love it. The length is spectacular because it goes just to the top of the knee and there's room. I can move and I don't feel like I'm gonna rip it or anything else. So, hey, this right here will definitely get you through the rest of the winter. Now, this piece is pretty dope. It's called Mixed Media. And of course, I see why, because we have almost like a little suede going on here. But then you have like the faux leather on the other arm, and it continues on the back with the mixing as well. This one is a large, but it's oversized, so it fits extra large pretty well, I will say. I really like it. I like it. And the two different feels, pretty dope.